In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Rumble video to your Wix website. If you're looking to enhance your website with engaging video content, integrating a video from Rumble is a great way to do it. Now, let's get started with the process, which is fairly straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, you'll want to open up the Wix website editor. This is where you can make all the exciting changes to your site. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the toolbar on the left side and look for the option marked Add Elements. Click on that. The Add Elements section is where you can access a variety of features and tools that help you customize your website to better suit your needs. Once the Add Elements menu is open, scroll down until you find the Embed Code option. Click on it. Embed Code is the feature that allows you to integrate external content into your Wix site, and it's especially useful for embedding videos. Next, you'll see a couple of choices appear. Look for Embed HTML and click on it. This is the part that lets you paste an external video code or link content outside of Wix. It's the key step in getting your Rumble video onto your site. Following that, you'll come across a prompts section. Here, you'll want to click on Website Address. This is an important step because it's asking where Wix should look for the video you want to add. Now, switch over to Rumble. Find the video you wish to embed on your Wix site. Copy the web address or URL of the Rumble video. Be sure to grab the entire URL to ensure the video loads correctly. Return to the Wix editor and paste the Rumble web address into the space provided. This is how you tell Wix exactly which video to display. Take a moment to double-check that the link is pasted correctly so everything goes smoothly. Finally, click the Apply button. This is what finalizes the addition of the video to your page. Once you hit Apply, Wix will update the page to show the embedded video, so you can verify that it appears as you intended. And that's it. You've successfully integrated a Rumble video into your Wix website. Adding videos is a fantastic way to make your web pages more dynamic and engaging, holding visitors' attention for longer. Remember, if you run into any issues or need to make adjustments, you can always revisit these steps. Always feel free to experiment within the Wix editor to see what looks best on your site. Thanks for watching, and happy site designing.